Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we went to Zudio and I'll be telling you what all we shopped in Zudio and what all things were there in Zudio to explore. We like this t-shirt. Actually this t-shirt was around 6.99, but when I tried it I didn't like it on myself, so I skipped this t-shirt. I think this is the biggest Zudio in Thane. It is located near Kolshet, I feel. So the next section we went in was every girl's favorite, guys. We went into the makeup section. Here we tried out some lipsticks, which I pretty much didn't like. It was very bright for my skin tone, so I have skipped this color as well. There were a few nail polishes, lip oil, cheek tints, and many more things like there. I also spotted mascaras there. I pretty much like the lip range of Zudio. It is most affordable products, makeup products in Zudio, I feel. There were also sunscreen wipes, primer, and everything regarding our makeup issues. And then we spotted rupees 49 lip glosses, guys, can you imagine? Then we went in footwear section. We spotted many different types of footwear in here. There were many designer footwears over here, and the colors were also amazing in this section. I pretty much liked it. Here you'll find office footwear and gym wear as well as casual wears as well. Then we went on with clothing section. Here I could find 299 kurti sets. The kurtis were amazing, the colors were awesome, and I've purchased one kurti from here. These kurtis you can wear in office or anywhere in small parties or anywhere. You can try out these kurtis in Zudio. As you can see, there are many colorful kurtis. One of them was this white kurti. I pretty much like this white kurti. And then we moved on to other section. Actually, my sister liked this white kurti. I mean, we were supposed to buy this, but we have purchased few other different things, which I'll be posting it on this soon. Again, some footwear, sandals. Actually, I'm showing on with the price so that you can look at the price as well and come here for shopping. And then again some kurtis. Kurtis over here were $3.99. It started from $2.99 as well. And then we moved on with the face washes in Zudio. I personally don't recommend this face wash because it contains perfume in it. The other one also contained perfume in it, so I don't like the face washes which contain perfume. If you guys like this face wash, please comment down below that how was your experience with this face washes. There were many daily wear t-shirts in Zudio, like they are very comfy. I've previously purchased from Zudio few t-shirts. I like them. I still have those t-shirts with me. This white top you can go on with your friends, and wherever you want to go you can try out it. And then we went to men's section. Men's section clothing was started from $1.99, and then my husband wanted to purchase a gym wear, a track pant actually, so he has purchased a track pant from here. I'll be showing you the track pant which we purchased. And then we moved on with the shorts. Short section, I didn't like the collection so much, but it was okayish kind of collection in men's section. I don't know, I didn't like it. The pants section over here was good. I personally liked the pants section. It was starting around $7.99, but we didn't wanted to buy a pant for anybody, so we skipped this section and we moved on to the footwear section of boys. I mean, it was pretty good. I liked the footwear section for my husband, but he refused to buy anything from here. He wanted to buy something else from this, but I forced him to buy one, and then finally he bought a footwear from this section. Look at the price of this slides, guys. It was only $2.99. There were footwear around this price only, and the shoes were around, I guess, $7.99. Look at the color of the shoes. My god, I just fell for them. I asked my husband to buy this for him, but he just refused as usual. And then there were many other colors as well. This white shoes, I think this was specifically for rainy season, I feel. And the price of the shoes were only $2.99, I guess, around $2.99. And this slides were also perfect. Then some t-shirts. This was around $4.99. But I think these were oversized t-shirt, which my husband doesn't like to wear. This was a nice t-shirt. Black. Casual wear, I feel. And again to the girls section. Actually, girls section was huge rather than boys section. There were also kids wear. If you have nephew, nice, you can buy for them as well. Pretty much affordable. I personally think Zudio is pretty much affordable other than any other brands. And the next section is nail polishes. Nail polishes were also pretty good, but I don't like to use nail polish on daily basis, so I skipped that section. Then these were eye pencils, eye makeup remover, guys. And this was micellar water. I have Garnier's micellar water. If you want a detailed review of Garnier micellar water, please put down it below in comment section. This pouch was also very good. So that's it for today, guys. Follow for